Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the app. We're taking a look at Strong, a workout tracking app available at https://www.strong.app. This app provides a streamlined and efficient way to log your weightlifting and other strength training sessions. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to record sets, representatives, and weight used for each exercise, allowing you to monitor your progress over time. Strong offers a comprehensive exercise library with a vast selection of movements to choose from, or you can create and customize your own exercises to perfectly match your routine. The app's features go beyond simply logging workouts. You can analyze your performance with detailed graphs and charts that visualize your strength gains, identify areas for improvement, and stay motivated. Strong also allows you to plan your workouts in advance, creating structured routines that align with your fitness goals. Whether you're a seasoned lifter or just starting out, Strong can help you organize your training and track your progress. The app's design is clean and intuitive, making navigation and data entry a breeze. It eliminates the need for pen and paper or clunky spreadsheets, offering a digital solution that's always accessible. With Strong, you can easily review your workout history, identify trends in your performance, and make informed decisions about your training program. Plus, the ability to customize your workouts and track various metrics ensures the app adapts to your individual needs and preferences. Strong is a powerful tool for anyone serious about strength training. It empowers you to take control of your fitness journey by providing the data and insights needed to optimize your workouts and achieve your goals. Whether you're focused on building muscle, increasing strength, or improving overall fitness, Strong provides the structure and tracking capabilities to help you succeed. Its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and data-driven approach make it a valuable asset for both beginners and experienced lifters alike.